Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be riding a new bike, Suzuki DRZ 125 big board into a 150. No issues really. Leaks a little bit of oil, but could just be a gasket or something, or a seal, something like that. So we'll strap you on the helmet and get ripping. Alright guys, got us the ground. Thing should start first kick. I've been riding it the past few days. I'm just gonna be ripping around at our property today. Later I'll show. Later I might head down to Nicky's and I'll show that, but not right now. I got football practice later. It should be warm. Yeah. I'll just go slow and get it warm, I guess. It's that extra bother now. Check gas, I guess. Yeah, gas. Odd. guess I'll get one launch and then I'll call it quits for today. I'll do a launch from down here. I can pick up one. Do a launch from right here. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today. This is, I'm going to start posting a little bit more, but probably not too often, every now and then. But probably my next few videos are just going to be dirt bike riding. So, thanks for watching. See you.